Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and we are back with using Mary Kay products. I want to show you particularly today how to apply their CC cream, especially for those girlies who love to say, I want to wear makeup, but I don't want to look like I got makeup on. Listen, this is the video for you. So first we're going to go in, and of course, I'm going to do my skincare routine because it's so important that you take care of your skin before applying makeup. And this is how you keep and maintain a hydrated, moisturized skin. Look at that glow, y'all. So I'm going in with my CC cream, which stands for Complexion Corrector Cream. And it has sunscreen built into the foundation. Y'all, this cream is so natural. It's very lightweight. Oops, I dropped it on my shirt. But I'm going to go in and I'm going to pretty much tap it into my skin. And I'm going to switch my brush out and grab me a bigger brush. And all I'm going to do is just dab that, press that in all within my skin. I want you guys to see how natural this foundation is, and it's going to blend in. It matches my skin tone very well. As you can see, I have different shades in my face. And so this is pretty much going to give me an even blend. So the shade that I'm using today is the Deep Natural shade. And this is my skin complexion. It's going to give me a natural even blend. And so I'm just going to blend that in all over. And once I get finished, pay attention. You can't even see where the foundation starts and where it ends. And this is just one coat. So you can definitely go back and apply another coat if that's what you desire. But usually I apply one coat. And after applying one coat, that's when I actually take the time to just go in with some powder. And so I'm going to do the other side, and I'm going to blend this in. As you can see, this pretty much is going to give it a nice natural coverage, flawless looking to your complexion. And they have a total of about 5 to 6 different shades. And so you can find the shade that fits your skin type the best. Next, I'm going to go in with a concealer, and I'm going to apply the concealer in under my eye, as well as in my areas that I want to definitely add concealer. One thing with Mary Kay products, especially their foundation, it had built-in vitamin E, which is a botanical extract that helps calm and soothe the skin. So this is how you're going to be able to maintain healthy and smooth skin even when you wear your makeup. It's not going to leave it feeling oily or greasy, but it's definitely going to give you a natural blend on your face. So once I put all of the foundation and blend it in, I am definitely setting it in with my setting spray. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to add some powder just to kind of set it in to my skin. Now, as you can see, as I've done that, it is definitely pulling all of my natural oils out of my face, but giving me a highlight. It's not going to make it dried out, but it's definitely going to give me a natural lightening in those areas. This part does not have to be applied if you don't desire. I'm just setting this in because I want to have a natural setting in my face. I'm going in with my mascara. I barely have lashes, y'all. But mascara definitely helps pull it out. Usually when I wear makeup, I'm a very natural girly. I do not like a whole lot of makeup, but I just like to enhance what I already have. And so I like to take and use the product so that I'm actually able to pull out my natural features. Now from doing this, I'm going to go in and add in some liner just to kind of frame my eyes just a bit. I usually don't do anything under the eye, especially if I sweat or if I am, my eyes tear up or if I'm watering in my eyes. I try not to put any eyeliner under my eye. because it would definitely smear. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to put on my lip. Somebody called me, so you're going to probably see me talking and laughing because I'm going to be on the phone. But I definitely like a nice soft pink lip. One thing with my lipstick, it usually gets on my teeth, so I have to be sure that I take my time to clean my teeth after I put my lipstick on, because somehow it always gets on my teeth. And if you're that person that has that problem, always make sure you double check before leaving out the door so you won't have any lipstick stuck on your teeth. All right, so now I'm getting ready to do my hair and finish my look. Checking my teeth again is something I'm very cautious of. And I'm going to go in. And what do you guys think about that? That very nice blend. You could barely tell I have makeup on. I'm getting ready to do my hair and put my glasses and earrings on. And I'm ready to head out the door.